Good Wednesday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's go on ahead and talk about the weather for your Wednesday, going into your Wednesday night. Now, going on ahead and looking at the radar down near us in South Carolina right now. South Carolina, we are clear, no clouds, no rain, no nothing, so that is good for us. If we go on ahead and look for the entire East Coast looks good. We have a couple of showers off to the coast of the Carolinas, but other than that, we seem to be doing pretty well. The Great Lakes region, not so well, as they do have a couple of showers moving through there, and as well as some snow showers up in the UP and the northern Michigan regions. We also do have some snow as well going through Minnesota and North Dakota, as well as having some ice, kind of like this line of ice going through this region. And then we also have a whole bunch of rain as well going through the west coast and some snow in those higher elevations. Let's go ahead and talk about our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now looks to be really good. No clouds seem to be in sight. The only clouds that are actually being produced is out to the coast where those showers were that I just talked about in the like not even 30 seconds ago. So we do have those clouds off to the coast. Shouldn't really be too much of a big deal. We probably should stay clear all day. If there is, a couple of clouds out there that decide to maybe start to blanket out and try to cover up the sun, we just have some of those clouds sometimes. There always can be a couple of clouds in the sky, but just on those rare occasions, it could be clear all day today with no clouds at all. So here is our current temperatures. I'll remember the temperatures because y'all remember this thing is still messing up. I don't know why. We're probably gonna have to change the software thing, the app that I use for it. But anyways, temperatures right now 46 inside Atlanta, 43 inside Athens, 47 inside Macon, and then at us near us 43 at Augusta and Columbia, 42 at Florence, 43 at Myrtle Beach, 46 at Charleston, 46 at Savannah, and down to our south, Tallahassee at 50 to our west. We already talked about Atlanta and Athens. 48 at Birmingham, 49 at Montgomery, 54 at Mobile, 60 at New Orleans, and then to our north, 38 near Raleigh, 36 near Greenville, and 40 near Charlotte. So those are our temperatures. Here's our maximum temperatures right now. Maximum temperatures can be in the low 60s for mainly everybody. I think our coolest region would definitely be Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach probably will only have a high temperature of 57. But everyone else, you'll enjoy your 60s, 61, 62, 64. Uh, so definitely enjoy those. Seems like our hottest temperatures are going to be down in like very southern South Carolina. So that's good for y'all. Here is our 24-hour max wind gust. We do have a gust of 10 to 15 miles an hour that could appear throughout the state, maybe a good 17 to 18 at the coast. But everything else seems to be fine, and we don't really have to worry about wind gusts. Here's our 24-hour precipitation totals. No precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. And here is the day one Storm Prediction Center outlook. We do have two. Okay, there was only one marginal risk, but now we have two marginal risks. Remember, we had that marginal risk for Kansas and Missouri. If y'all remember me talking about that the other day. Well, not the other day, but literally yesterday in last night's video. Um, Illinois and Western Indiana is now under a marginal risk. Let's go ahead and look at the outlooks. We do have a 5% chance of hail, no chance of wind, and no chance of a tornado. So pretty much hail is the threat with this. Some 1 inch in diameter hail in the marginal regions and potentially some small hail in the region around that, like the light green region. To the west, a couple of lightning strikes are possible inside of those western areas. You can read the description, but it just says isolated scattered elevated thunderstorms are expected to develop in portions of Illinois and Indiana. Severe hail is the main threat. Marginal risk, yeah. So, Springfield, Missouri, Peoria, Illinois, Champaign, Illinois, Bloomington, Illinois, and Lafayette, Indiana are all inside of that marginal risk. We do have a day one excessive rainfall outlook as well for San Diego and Los Angeles. So if you know anybody inside those regions, flash flooding is potentially a problem. But thank y'all so much for watching this forecast update. Pretty short one, around 5 minutes. And that's going to about wrap it up. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all tonight with another forecast update on our quiet weather period coming to an end.